How to remove bank account in CashApp. Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video we will learn how we can remove bank account from your CashApp. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, launch the CashApp on your mobile device. After that, navigate to the bottom left corner and then tap on the home icon, or in your case if you see your balance, then tap on it. That's gonna take you to your banking tab. So under the banking tab, you have to search for an option as linked banks or linked accounts. So tap on the option to view your connected financial institutions or your bank account. After that, choose the bank account that you want to remove and then tap on it that you wish to unlock. After that, you will have a prompt in your interface. From there, select remove bank or replace bank and then follow the other on-screen prompts to confirm the removal. So in that way, you can remove your bank account in the CashApp. That's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.